Ultimia Apollo S70. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. You'll find the user manual and accessories as well as our separate left, right and center unit. You can check your accessories with the picture. First, let's assemble the soundbar. The soundbar can be assembled in two ways. Mode 1, detached and stand on base. Step 1. Set the soundbar on the base and align the joints. Step 2. Twist to connect with the base. Step 3. Plug in the 4-pin cable, cable 1 and cable 2, for soundbar connection. Note, when connecting the cable, the red terminal is plugged into the red port and the white terminal is plugged into the white port. Mode 2, horizontal placement. Step 1. Remove the covers on both sides of the host. Step 2. Align the joints of the three parts. Step 3. Twist to connect. Step 4. Plug in the 4-pin cable, cable 3 and cable 4, for soundbar connection. Also, take a look at the back, where you'll find 8 ports from the center unit. Now let's connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Connect the power supply. Let's power it on, using the remote control. You are free to arrange the soundbar system according to your preference and your home environment. Arrangement 1, detached and stand on base. Arrangement 2, horizontal placement. Alright. It's time to connect your TV. There are 4 common ways to connection for TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via ARC output. Find the HDMI ARC cable. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's HDMI ARC port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI ARC port on the back of the soundbar. Press the HDMI button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Select the correct audio output to change from the TV speakers to the ARC output. Now you can start enjoying the sound. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective caps of the cable. Align one end of the plug with your TV's optical out port and insert the plug carefully. Next, align the plug with the optical in port on the back of your soundbar. Firmly push the plug into the port until you hear or feel a click. Press the OPT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Take the example of the TV in the video, setting sound output optical. Thirdly, let's try a UX connection. Find the AUX cable. Insert the other AUX end into your TV's audio out port. Then insert 3.5mm AUX end into soundbar. Press the AUX button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Note, please remember to unplug the AUX cable from TV and soundbar when you want to switch other mode. Prefer wireless? Here's how to connect via Bluetooth. Connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth, search and connect with device Apollo S70. When you hear, the Bluetooth connection is successful. If your TV has a Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Connect to your TV via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth in Settings, search and connect Apollo S70. When you hear the Bluetooth connection is successful, you have learned to connect HDMI optical AUX Bluetooth with soundbar. Still no sound? All it takes is a TV setup, TV PCM settings. To avoid hearing poor or distorted audio, turn off your TV speakers. Set up TV audio output. The audio settings are usually found in the TV menu. Different TVs may have different setup steps. Normally as below, settings sound digital audio format auto/PCM. You already know the basic connections. Another big surprise of the Ultimia Apollo S70, this soundbar has light controlled via the Ultimia Smart app. Now we'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.